My name is Catherine Mathis. I'm the executive chef and owner of Backdoor Barbecue and Pizzeria Gusto. I grew up in Oklahoma. I've been a chef for 30 plus years. I've done everything from fine dining to delis.
My name's Tom Fanning. We're in Buffalo, Oklahoma. This is Buffalo Feeders. It's a 32,000 head cattle feeding operation in northwest Oklahoma. Buffalo Feeders is a custom feed yard. And a feed yard, we receive cattle off of grass, usually a 700 to 800 pound animal that comes in here.
Meeting Tom was amazing. He was very educational, very knowledgeable. Any question that I had, he had a great answer for. And just seeing him working around the pens, around the cows, knowing that his staff, some of his staff has been there for 30 plus years and they're into the fourth generation. This is a smoked pastrami sandwich on jalapeno cornbread with bread and butter pickles, red onion, Swiss cheese, and mayo mustard. The smoked pastrami is special because I actually won a contest with it, and most people don't smoke pastrami. It's getting a little more popular, but we smoke it for 14 hours. We make our own brine. It brines for 7 days. It's smoked for 14 hours.
So BQA, the Beef Quality Assurance Program, is everything we do, whether it's receiving grain and our quality control for our ingredients that go into the ration, with cattle handling, cattle care in the pens, and just the overall care and welfare of the animals, because the right way is the only way.
I love cooking with beef because it's versatile. Like, you can grill it, you can smoke it, you can sear it. Beef, it's what's for dinner.